Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy Paladin Hawthorne, and that is my puppy saying "What's up" to the mailman. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to South Bend, Indiana, is an Amazon Prime unboxing. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Or if you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com. That's R-I-P-T apparel.com. Or onceuponat.net. You're going to save $3 or more off every single shirt. And I get a couple bucks in the store credit. So my kitty is right over here. We just got her. And one of the things I do is you got to spoil your kitty here and there when she does cute little tricks. I'd try and pick her up, but she'd be like, no, camera shy, bro. But we got her some tasty chicken flavor temptations. This is a Stay Fresh pack. She's worth spoiling, and I love to spoil my kitty. So we rescued her. She's 6 years, well, we think she's 6. She's a good girl. But yeah, we got her these, and you might see some more. Let's see if I can, come here, come here. She's not about that life at the moment, but as always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please share my videos, hit the thumbs up button, the notification bell, and subscribe and share. Have a great day.